Welcome to Prime Auto Insights. Mazda just made some big changes to the legendary MX-5 Miata, but is this the best version yet? Stick around, because we're about to break down everything you need to know. And if you love cars as much as we do, make sure to subscribe for the latest car reviews. The Mazda MX-5 Miata has always been the go-to lightweight sports car. It's affordable, fun to drive, and a true driver's car. But in 2025, Mazda has taken things to the next level. With new design tweaks, advanced tech, and some exciting performance refinements, the question is, does it still dominate the segment? Let's find out. Let's start with the exterior. The 2025 Miata gets a sharper and more aggressive front fascia. The LED headlights are now sleeker, featuring a new adaptive lighting system that improves visibility on winding roads. The grille has been redesigned for better airflow, optimizing both cooling and aerodynamics. The hood now features subtle contouring, adding to the sporty aesthetic. Mazda has also introduced new color options, including a stunning solar red metallic that absolutely pops under the sunlight and a deep midnight blue for those who prefer a stealthier look. The car sits on newly designed, lightweight forged wheels, reducing unsprung weight for even better handling and road feel. Additionally, revised aerodynamics, including a subtly reshaped front splitter and rear diffuser, help improve high-speed stability. But do you think this new look is an improvement? Let us know in the comments. Step inside, and the upgrades continue. Mazda has enhanced the cabin with premium soft touch materials, a more refined dashboard layout, and an upgraded leather-wrapped steering wheel for a better grip. The seats have been redesigned with improved bolstering, making long drives and spirited cornering more comfortable. The infotainment system has also been upgraded with a larger 10.3-inch touchscreen featuring Mazda's latest user interface, now supporting wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The digital gauge cluster provides real-time performance data, and an available heads-up display keeps vital information in your line of sight. Mazda has even improved cabin insulation to reduce wind and road noise, making for a quieter ride when the top is up. And here's something Miata fans will love: an improved 9-speaker Bose sound system with optimized speaker placement for immersive audio, whether the roof is up or down. The tech might be modern, but the Miata stays true to its driver-focused roots. Would you take this over a Toyota GR86 or Nissan Z? Drop your thoughts below. Now, let's talk performance, the heart of any MX-5. Mazda has fine-tuned the suspension for even sharper handling, utilizing revised dampers and stiffer sway bars to enhance cornering stability without compromising ride comfort. The steering system has been recalibrated, delivering more precise feedback and a quicker response time. The 2.0L Skyactiv-G engine remains, but Mazda has introduced slight refinements to the intake and exhaust system, rumored to push output closer to 190 horsepower and 155 pound-feet of torque. Not a massive jump, but considering the Miata's lightweight chassis, every bit counts. And yes, Mazda is still offering a 6-speed manual transmission, a huge win for driving purists. For those opting for the automatic, paddle shifters have been improved for a more engaging experience. Additionally, the electronic limited slip differential now offers better traction control, enhancing stability during aggressive cornering. This car is all about connection to the road, and that feeling is now even better. So, is this the best MX-5 Miata ever? It's still lightweight, rear-wheel drive, and an absolute blast to drive. Mazda has preserved the essence of what makes the Miata special while refining the details that matter most. The improved handling, upgraded interior, and modern tech make this a stronger competitor than ever. While it may not be the most powerful car in its class, it's about balance and pure driving joy, something no other roadster delivers quite like this. The 2025 Miata refines everything we love about this iconic roadster while staying true to its roots. But what do you think? Has Mazda done enough to keep the Miata ahead of its rivals? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Prime Auto Insights so you never miss a deep dive like this. And if you want to see how the Miata stacks up against the GR86, check out our next video right here. See you in the next one.